In this video, I'm going to be showing you step-by-step how to run TikTok ads for your dropshipping business. I'm going to be revealing absolutely everything. I'm going to be showing you my exact testing strategy so that way you can get your first campaign launched. I'm going to show you how to set up your columns so that way you can read your data effectively. I'm also going to show you how I get my video ads, how I do my targeting, and so much more. So be sure you stay locked into this video. So if you're ready, be sure to go ahead and drop a like and subscribe to the channel if you are new, and also go to the description and sign up for my free Discord server. It's the ultimate dropshipping and e-commerce Discord server. We already have a bunch of like-minded entrepreneurs in there that are also dropshipping, so feel free to go ahead and network and also enjoy all of the free resources that I have in there. And I'm always constantly chiming into the conversations and dropping some free games. So if you're interested, like I said, go to the description, check it out. It's completely 100% free. And without further ado, let's hop right into the video. All right, you guys, so hopping right into my computer, the very first thing that you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna make your TikTok ads account, okay? And I'm not gonna go through this step by step with you guys, but I am gonna show you just in case you don't have an account already. But what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna go to ads.tiktok.com. It's gonna bring you to this screen right here. And you're gonna click on create now. And once you do that, you're gonna get this screen right here, and you're gonna wanna go ahead and click sign up. So you're gonna wanna go through the entire process. You're gonna wanna put your business details in, all your personal information, and then you'll be sent right to your TikTok ads manager, and we'll pick up from there. All right, you guys, so now that I'm signed in, I actually went ahead and just made a brand new account. I felt like that's probably the best way for me to be able to show you guys exactly from scratch how to do things. So this is your campaign screen. So the first thing you're gonna wanna do is you wanna click on campaign and come over to this screen, okay? And the first thing I'm gonna be breaking down is your columns. So I've already went ahead and set up some columns here. So what you're gonna wanna do is click right here, and you're gonna wanna click on custom columns. Here's my exact column setup that I have for my TikTok ads account. This is exactly how I like to read my data. These are the only metrics, in my opinion, that I believe that you need to see. And it's really important that you know how to read your data so that way you're able to effectively make decisions, okay? Whether that's, to scale an ad set or, to cut something that's not working. So feel free to go ahead and pause the video, take a screenshot, whatever you need to do, so that way you can get this exact setup exactly the way I have it here. You should be able to find everything here in the basic data section. You can also come down to page event, and I believe I have some selected here: complete payment ROAS and complete payment. And then once you're done with that, you're gonna wanna click on save as preset. You're gonna wanna name it whatever you want. TikTok sometimes goes back to the default column, so it's good that you have this saved so that way you can select it whenever you're ready to read your data. Now, it would be insane for me to be able to talk about each and every single one of these and show you how to effectively read your data. I can maybe make a video about this, but really quickly, just so you know that if you're profitable or not, it's very important that you know what your ROAS is, which is your return on ad spend, and you also need to know your break-even point, okay? This is gonna allow you to be able to look at these columns and be like, okay, my break-even point is X, and okay, this ad set is, higher than my break-even point. That means I'm profitable, okay? And I'm gonna show you exactly how you can go ahead and calculate that. So if you go down to the description, I have a completely free product research sheet that I give to all of my students, so that way you can stay organized with your product research. So this is what it looks like. It's 100% free. I like to put like the product name, the CJ Dropshipping link, the AliExpress link, so on and so forth. But in this sheet, I like to have this product criteria section. So inside of this product criteria, I show you exactly how to calculate your break-even point. As you can see right here, it's basically your margin, right? So it's going to be your sell price. So if you're selling your product for $30, then this would be your sell price minus your product cost. So let's just say your product cost is $20, okay? So 30 minus 20 would be $20, okay? So that would be your break-even point, which is your margin. So to get your break-even ROAS, now that you have your break-even point, you're gonna take your sell price, which is $30. I don't know why it says sale price, it should say sell price. $30 divided by your margin. So that would be $30 divided by the $20 margin that we just calculated here, which comes out to 1.5. So in your ads manager, when you're looking at your break-even ROAS, you can see, okay, if it's over a 1.5, then that means I'm profitable. And if you wanna learn more about this, I have a Dropshipping 101 Beginner's Guide ebook, and I have an entire chapter on how to read your data from scratch. You can go to my Instagram. I believe it's in my Instagram bio. You can find it if you just go through my links, I promise you. I have an entire chapter that breaks this down step by step. All right, so let's create your first campaign. So what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna come to create, And then you're gonna get this screen right here, which is your advertising objective. You're gonna wanna click on website conversions because that's the only thing that you're gonna wanna use because you're obviously trying to get people to purchase. I turn off smart performance campaign, and then I name my campaign whatever the name of my product is. Now make sure that you have some type of format when it comes to naming your ads, your ad sets, and your campaigns, because once you start scaling and adding more campaigns, more ad sets, it can get confusing. So there's no right or wrong answer here. Just make sure that you understand, what the hell is going on. Okay, so I name it whatever my name of my product is, and then I leave all of this blank. Okay, I don't do any campaign budget optimization when I'm first testing products because I want each and every single ad that I test to get a fair amount, okay? And what happens is if you have campaign budget optimization on, if you have 4 ad sets, it's gonna disperse it to the best performing ad sets. But for me personally, I like to at least run, $10 or $20 at each and every single one of my video ads. So that way I give it a fair chance to see if it's gonna perform or not. Then you could just click on next. And then your ad group name, usually what I like to do is I like to name this the interest. For me, I don't really mess with interest testing when it comes to TikTok ads. I don't know, for me personally, I just don't think it really works that well. So I just put open targeting, and then I'll just, do like a dash and put, US and Canada. And if you're testing like different age ranges, you can do that as well. Like if you're doing like 18 to 65 or whatever you're doing, you can organize it however you want. Next, you're gonna wanna click on your TikTok pixel and you're gonna wanna select it. If you don't have one, you're gonna wanna click create new. Just for the people out there that are complete beginners and just now getting this set up, you're gonna wanna go to your Shopify store. You're gonna wanna go to the Shopify app store and download the TikTok channel. This is how, your TikTok pixel is gonna be able to track everything. So you want to make sure that these are connected. It's very, very easy. Takes just a couple steps. So go ahead and click to install it. Moving on, you're going to want to go to placements and click select placement, and you're going to want to remove everything except TikTok. Okay, you don't want Pangle, you don't want this right here. You want to just be running ads only on TikTok. And then for the targeting, I keep it very, very simple. You can either run ads straight to the United States, or you can run it to Canada as well. I typically like to run to both of them, so I'll select United States and Canada. And then for English or for language, I select English. And then this section right here is all dependent on your product. Okay, so make the best adjustment depending on whatever you're testing, but I'm gonna keep it more generalized. So for the gender, I'm gonna just keep it open, male and female. And then for the age, I like to keep it 18 and up. Now, if you have a product that serves older men and women, then you can go ahead and change, the age to whatever you like. But that's just what I like to personally run. And then for the interests and behaviors, now this is different than Facebook ads. Now for Facebook ads, if you're running a pet product, for example, you'll target pets or pet owners or dogs, cats, or whatever the case may be, right? But for me personally, I just believe that interests don't work. I don't know. I've always seen results when I just do open targeting. And anytime I go ahead and I start messing with the different, the different interests, the hashtags and things like that, it just never seems to perform well. So I like to just let TikTok do its thing and just keep everything open. And then I keep the targeting expansion off. Now for the budget and schedule, what I like to do is I like to set this to $50. I believe $50 is all you need to be able to test a product effectively, okay? And depending on what results you get from this, you can decide if you want to move forward to the next day, so on and so forth, okay? So $50 budget, and then you're gonna wanna schedule this for midnight. So you're gonna wanna click here, and then you're gonna wanna set this to all zeros. Click OK, and that's going to set it for midnight, okay? And then for the bidding and optimization, just keep it on lowest cost. And then you're going to want to click next, but I actually just realized that I skipped something. So for the optimization event, right underneath your pixel, you're going to want to click on complete payment. So now we're on the most important part of your campaign, which is the ad level. Now, the reason why this is the most important is because your video ad is what's going to help you generate traffic to your website. And if you don't have a quality video ad, then none of the settings that I just showed you is even gonna matter anyways. So I'm sure you're thinking, I have no clue how to make video ads, nor do I even know where to purchase them in the first place. So I'm gonna reveal exactly where I've been getting all of my video ads created for years now, so that way you can take advantage. So the secret sauce as to where I've been getting all of my video ads created for years now is a company called Viral Ecom Ads. I've been using them for years now. I know the owners personally, and they've done millions of dollars in the dropshipping space. They have a bunch of proven to convert ad packages, whether you want video ads for Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, they got you covered. They also do UGC content as well. So this is a real cost-effective way for you to be able to get influencers to promote your brand. So if you want how-to videos, unboxing videos, testimonials, this is the place to do it. And as you can see, they have all the testimonials in the world to back this up. These are a bunch of people who have used their video ad services, and it's helped them generate thousands of dollars in sales with their dropshipping business. And if you scroll down, again, they have endless and endless amounts of different case studies of other people enjoying their service. So if you're looking for ads for TikTok, I highly recommend that you go over to video ads, then video ad packages, and then you get this TikTok split testing package. Now the TikTok split testing package comes with 3 different ad variations for your one product, which means you're gonna be getting 3 separate videos, which is great because you can't test products nowadays with just one video creative. You need multiple creatives working for you. And it's super affordable. You'll be getting this for only $50. And then if you use code Jaden15 at checkout, you'll get 15% off. But if you're a VIP member, I highly recommend that you invest into something like this if you're rapidly testing products, because you'll save so much money in the long run, because this same package in their VIP program is only $12.50. In the VIP program, not only will you be getting 75% off and 24-hour delivery, but they also offer 24-hour revisions. So if you get your video ads and there's something that you don't like, they'll revise it for you and get it right back to you within 24 hours, which is great. And they even offer this service on the weekends if you're in their program. So if you're interested in getting some high converting ad creatives for your dropshipping business, I'm gonna leave the link to Viral Ecom Ads at the top of the description. So be sure to check them out and let me know what you think. So now that you have your winning creatives all ready to go, now it's time for you to start building out the ad portion of your campaign. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to name your creatives. So I like to name them either like video ad 1, video ad 2, video ad 3, or winning creative 1. Whatever you want to do, there's really no wrong answer. Next, you're going to want to build your identity. So you're going to want to create a new custom identity. And this is just how you're going to show up on your ad on this section right here when people see your advertisement. So you're just going to want to type in your brand name here, and then you're going to want to upload a logo. So now that you have that, you're going to want to upload your video creatives. And I recommend that you just click and drag all of them at the same time right into here. So I'm just going to upload whatever here. I'm not even sure if I just uploaded a TikTok video or not, but it is what it is. You'll be able to at least understand my point of view here. So as you can see, here's a creative, and now you'll see all of the list of your creatives here. So if you uploaded at least 3 to 4, which is what I recommend for TikTok ads, you'll see 3 to 4 different blocks here. And you wanna make sure that you, let me just add one here so you know what I'm talking about. So you're gonna wanna make sure that you click on each and every single one of these and make sure that you do the exact same settings for all of them. So that way they all match. A lot of people tend to forget that. So anyways, moving on. So what you're going to want to do next is you're also going to want to customize your thumbnail. So TikTok will already preload some thumbnails for you. So just pick the one that you like the best, the one that catches the most attention. And then from there, you're going to start customizing your ad copy, okay? So I like to keep this very simple because you only have 100 characters here. So you need to just put something that's short and sweet. So if you click on the text box, I usually do something like, oh, here we go. As you can see, some of mine have already popped up in the past. So now 50% off and free shipping, now available for 50% off. That's one I usually do, is now available for 50% off. And that's usually, good enough for people to see like a quick offer. Then they could just click your shop now button and go right to your website. And then for the call to action section, you do not want to do dynamic. So click edit, and then you're going to click on standard, and then you're going to click shop now. And then lastly, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take your product page link and you're going to want to put it right here. And you want to make sure that you click preview so that way you know that it actually works. Then you're going to want to click on submit and then create your ad. So now it'll say congratulations. You're going to go back to campaigns. So now that we're back at our campaign, as you can see, it does say active, but I went ahead and just turned it off because obviously I don't want this to run. But you'll see your campaign, and what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to the ad group level, okay? And as you can see, you have this open targeting that we set up. So what you're going to want to do is click on copy, and then you're going to want to copy this 4 different times, and you're going to want to put this in the existing campaign. But what you're going to want to do is, rename these so that way you're not confused as to what they are. And then you're just going to click on copy. Now you'll see this screen come up, okay? And the only things that you're going to have to change is sometimes the TikTok pixel won't show up, so make sure you click your TikTok pixel again. But the one thing that I know that always changes is the time. So you're going to want to go back to here and make sure
that you schedule it either for now or for midnight, whatever you're doing, okay? So that's the only thing that's really gonna change. Then you're gonna click on continue to ads. And then you're gonna be back on the ad level again, and you're just gonna scroll through, make sure that everything is correct, and you're gonna click publish. All right, guys, so now that we're back on this screen, what you're gonna wanna do is click on the ad group section, and now you'll see 5 different copies of our original ad set, okay? So as you can see, this is the original right here, and all of these are literally the exact same. Same targeting the United States and Canada, same age groups, same interests, so on and so forth. Now, I know what you're thinking, Jaden, why would I want 5 ad sets all targeting the exact same thing? Now, the best way that I can possibly explain this to you, and I hope this makes sense, but let's just say, for example, you were only gonna do one ad set for $50, which is this original one, right? With none of these. TikTok is gonna pick a specific group of people to show your advertisement to. So by duplicating it 4 more times, what you're basically telling TikTok to do is, okay, for this ad set, I'm gonna, show your ad to this group of people. For this ad set, I'm gonna show it to this group of people. And for this ad group, I'm gonna show it to this group of people, so on and so forth, okay? So that's kind of the thought process behind it. It's just a way for you to be able to get your ad shown to different regions of the countries that you targeted, if that makes sense.
So there you have it. That is my 2023 TikTok ads tutorial / testing strategy. I hope you guys did learn something today. If you did, be sure to go ahead and drop a like on the video and subscribe to the channel if you are new. And if you're somebody out there that needs some one-on-one help with your dropshipping business and you literally want someone to walk you step by step and hold your hand through the entire process, be sure to hit the link in the description and fill out my application for my one-on-one coaching program. So we don't accept everybody, but make sure you act quickly because we're only accepting 3 more students into the program this month. So if you want to be a part of this opportunity, be sure you go ahead and again, fill out the application and let's see if we're a good fit to work together. And yeah, I hope you guys have a good rest of your day and I'll see you guys next time.